In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Thinkorswim for futures trading. The first thing you need to do is make sure your account is actually approved for futures trading. Start by logging in to your Schwab account, then go to your profile and find the trading permissions section or the equivalent area where account permissions are managed. From there, apply for futures trading, complete the required disclosures and agreements, and then wait for the approval to go through. Once that approval is complete, your account will be enabled for futures trading. After that, open the Thinkorswim desktop platform and sign in with your Schwab credentials. While you can monitor futures in different versions of Thinkorswim, the desktop version gives you the most complete setup and the best overall trading experience, especially if you plan to actively manage positions. Next, set up a futures workspace by going to Trade, then either Active Trader or All Products. This is where you can start pulling up futures symbols. Some common ones include /ES for the E-mini S and P500, /MES for the micro E-mini S and P500, /NQ for the E-mini NASDAQ 100, /MNQ for the micro E-mini NASDAQ 100/CL for crude oil, and /GC for gold. If you're just getting started, many traders prefer micro futures like /MES or /MNQ because they usually require less capital and have smaller contract values than the standard E-mini contracts. Now head over to the Charts tab so you can enable and view futures data and charts. Enter a futures symbol such as /MS and choose the time frame that fits your trading style. 1-minute charts are often used for scalping, 5-minute charts are common for day trading, 15-minute charts work well for intraday analysis, and daily charts are useful for swing trading. You can also add indicators like the 20 EMA, 50 EMA, VW app, and RSI, since these are commonly used for trend and momentum analysis. For faster order entry, stay in the chart